What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I have another product review for you. Today what we have is the Holtzman Gorilla Survival, and this is a ferro rod with a sheath. Alright, so I'm going to open up this box and show you the contents here. It comes in this nice box, perfect for a gift. If you got that special man in your life that likes the outdoors, this is a good budget for you ladies out there. You know, just saying. Anyway, gonna open this up. This comes in a nice box for if you wanted to gift it, or if you're gonna give it to your son or whatever. Great introduction to the outdoors and fire starting. All right, so inside you have an instruction guide with pictures on how to use the scraper and the necklace, and you have a card here that also says that you can get a free gift. Okay, inside the main item we have is this ferro rod with a hardwood handle and a lanyard hole, and the leather sheath that it fits in. So I think this is a great idea. Not every knife sheath has a ferro rod holder. So say if you wanted to have a knife like this is a BPS knife. It is basically just like a full tang Mora, right? Doesn't have a holder for a ferro rod on either side of the sheath. So you could carry something like this on your belt, and now you have your ferro rod and your knife on your belt. So just an option out there. They do have a dark and a light brown leather. This is the dark brown. All right. In this kit, you also get this necklace, which could second as a lanyard if you wanted to, but it is a necklace. Has the little plastic type clip, and it has a little, I'd say 1-inch ferro rod on the necklace. So the design or the thought behind this is that you can put your scraper on the necklace and have the ferro rod, so you can use the scraper on this rod if you need to, but in the event that you lose it, you have a secondary rod to still be able to build a fire. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you close up so you can see the sparks. So you see, throws good sparks. What we're going to do is I'm going to adjust over here, and we're going to build a fire using the ferro rod and the striker and see how it does for us. All right guys, so we're going to process some fat wood and get it into this cedar bark bundle that I have, and we're going to build us a fire. It is really windy out here, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm just going to get some fine curls off my fat wood here. Just a little something to help get it started. Use the 90-degree spine of your knife to get those really fine curls. All right, collect all of that. Take my cedar bark, fluff it up a little bit, get those fibers exposed, put my fat wood in the center, and my really fine shavings right on the top. All right, so now we're going to strike this up with the Holtzman Gorilla Survival ferro rod. Turn it over on itself so it can really get going. Put our smalls on top. Hopefully it'll roll. Alright, so as you can tell with this Ferro rod, throws enough sparks to get a fire going. Scraper works great to get it going, and you have this nice sheath to hold it in. And it's a pretty standard size Ferro rod, so I'm sure that when or if you ever wear this out, you can pick up a replacement. But if you have one of those El Cheapos that you pick up at Walmart, I'm sure it would still fit inside here too. All in all, I feel like it's a great product and great value. I'm going to leave the links in the description box below so you guys can get one yourself. Thanks for watching. God bless.